Hi guys, this is Guide TV coming up with a new video. So in this video I'll talk about how to create a difficult Excel graph. Now basically we have an Excel sheet here in which you can see music genres are given, 10 of them, including rock, hip hop, pop, alternate rock, jazz, folk music, classical music, funk, punk rock, and dubstep. So you can see there are two ratings of all these types of genres. Uh, One is for the year 2017 and the other one is for the current year 2018. Now these are just random figures, they might vary according to interests of different people. So I have chosen these ratings, as you can see. So what I want to do with this graph is I basically want the music genres to be displayed on the x-axis, and I want a bar chart for the comparison of the ratings for the years 2017 and 2018. So let's proceed with how we'll go about this, and I'll tell you a few techniques that I picked up when I started learning Excel techniques that would really help you in the future. So let's start. So first of all, the data has been created, so what you will need to do is you'll need to go into this insert tab, and over here you'll have insert column chart. You'll go there and add a 2D column without even selecting the data. So this has been already selected, and as you can see, we can update the chart title to rating versus music genre. I think that is appropriate. And as you can see, we have a beautiful graph here. So if you still want to update this graph further, you can go into this plus sign here which says chart elements. When you click that, you'll get a drop down menu in which you'll see axis titles, chart titles, data labels. So you can play with this according to your requirement, but I suggest removing the axis titles because that really congests the spaces on the graph. So apart from that, you can add data labels. They're always helpful, so I'll add those, and then you can also add a trend line, but in our case it's not important. So if you still want to play with the theme of the chart or the color of the chart, you can do so by double clicking, or it's already displayed over here above in the toolbar. So you can just scroll over all these formats and choose the one that fits you best. So in my case, I'll probably stick with the one I had earlier. This one looks simple and it's elegant. So that is about it from this video. Please let me know with your comments how you feel about this video, and if you have a specific request about using an Excel technique that I haven't shared with you earlier, please mention that in the comments below.